glad you're there. I raised this last night in the context of a debate on a motion tabled by Sinn Féin, and Minister Rabbitte was listening carefully in relation to the absence of respite services in Galway. And I hope you take this with your background in finance and public expenditure and reform, because when we talk about millions being allocated for services, it's a postcode lottery and it's not based on rights. And so a letter here with the name removed where there is no respite services. And when the Health Executive wrote to the organisation Ability West, they advised back that their service for respite was currently at full capacity and is waitlisted. Now you listen to those words, waitlisted, no idea of when that child is going to get service, and that child is not alone. So my question to you is in relation to what are the feedback mechanisms, the data that's absolutely necessary to inform policy and the informed spending of money. What is the data coming back from Galway City and County in relation to the absence of respite services? Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, Concordia. Thank you, Deputy, for raising that. And in relation to the particular organisation that you have spoken for, the data was that they had a number of houses that they weren't going at full capacity, and the way that that was then relayed, be it to ourselves and public expenditure funding was secured to ensure that actually they could go full tilt. As in 7/7, some of the children's services, they are now able to provide children's services 7 nights a week, 52 weeks of the year. Some of the service houses that they had that they were in operation weren't in operation 7 days a week. Funding was secured, has gone to the new interim CEO of Ability West, and she is actioning that both across children and adult services.